In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to another page within your Wix site. This is really useful for improving navigation and helping visitors move smoothly through your content. First, open your site in the Wix editor. Once you're there, click on the element you want to turn into a link. This could be a button, text, an image, or even an icon, anything you want people to click on. With the element selected, look for the link icon in the toolbar or settings panel. It usually looks like a small chain symbol. Click it and a link settings window will pop up. Here, choose Page as the link type. Then select the page on your site that you want this element to lead to from the list that appears. You can also decide whether the page opens in the same tab or in a new one, totally up to you. Once you are happy with your selection, click Done. To make sure everything works, save or publish your site, then preview it and test the link. If it takes you to the right page, you're all set. And that's it, a simple way to connect your pages and create a smoother experience for your visitors.